Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. It's been a while since I talked to you face to face, but I'm here. So many things have happened, but today we are not going to talk about anything. We are going to talk about food. Here we talk about food, cleaning and amazing recipes. So today we are going to make soft layered chapatis without breaking the bank, without wanting to get certain oils just to attain soft layered chapati. We are going to use the oil that is available in the pantry so that you can make the chapatis. The oil that you have with you that can still make soft layered chapati. The flour that you have with you, so long as it's all-purpose flour or chapati flour, you are going to make the soft layered chapati effortlessly without sweating and getting annoyed in the kitchen. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing, because here we do homemaking, we clean, we cook, we have amazing recipes. You're gonna love it here. And please don't skip the ads, because that is where we get our revenue from. So let's begin. Let's go straight into the video. So the flour that I have today is pembe. I'm going to use pembe to make my chapos. So I will add the flour into my bowl. I normally add the flour into my bowl. I don't add the water first. This one helps me get the right consistency when I want to start kneading now. And then I'm going to add salt. I don't use sugar in my chapatis, but if you love sugar, just add the sugar. I love just adding the salt alone. This is warm water. It's not too hot, it's not too warm. So I normally add oil into the water first, and then I use that water to knead my dough. I'm using like five spoons of oil. The oil that I've used is rinsan, that is sunflower oil. So I'm going to add in my dough. I don't add the entire water. I just add a little bit so that we can get the right consistency. This will tell me whether I need to add more flour or I need to add more water, but I always want to add more water instead of adding the flour. So I'll mix this before I can go in and now mix with my hands. And I mix this until I make sure that all the flour in the bowl is nicely combined with the dough, the wet dough. So this is what I normally do before I can transfer it into a flat surface and start kneading it. You need to do this, and whenever you are making anything that calls for wheat flour, just consider kneading your dough. There are things that some recipes don't need such kneading, but with this one you need to knead the dough. So I'll make sure that the dough is nicely combined with the flour, and then I will transfer it into a flat surface. So that is it. I want to transfer it into a flat surface, and I'm going to use this place to knead the dough. So I'll sprinkle some flour and then transfer to a flat surface. In as much as this dough looks a little bit soft, I'm not adding any water. That is why you need to know the amount of water and the flour. As you have seen, I've used 1 kg of the flour and half a liter of water, and we still have some inside here. I'm not adding any more flour. I'll start kneading this dough until it comes together. At this point, I want to spread it out like this, and then we shall add some oil, a little bit, like 3-4 teaspoonfuls no, tablespoon. And then we shall continue kneading it for another 3 minutes. Remember, you have to work your dough in order to get good chapatis. When you roll out the chapatis, sometimes the gluten hasn't settled and it tends to roll back. So if you want to get a good spread, just knead your dough for long. I prefer kneading for 8 minutes. After kneading the dough for like 8 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's very, very soft, very smooth. I love how it looks like. So I'm going to put it in a bowl, let it rest for like 20 minutes before I can now start rolling out the chapatis. It's been 20 minutes and I think at this point the gluten has relaxed enough. It's easier now to handle. Even if the dough is soft, you can handle that dough. I'm going to apply some oil on my hands and then I'm going to section the dough into smaller balls, then roll them out, apply some oil, and then I shall show you what we shall be doing next. At this point everything is just straightforward. I hope you get to follow along.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. Got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your best.
I'm using brown flour because I ran out of white flour. I'm using the brown flour to spread out the chapatis, and this is how you do it. This is how you roll it. The next thing, I'm going to continue until I'm done with all of them and then cover them, but I'm not going to let them rest. I'm going to spread them out, dry them before I can now use the oil. I'm done, and these are the results. So I'm going to punch this down. This is how I normally do it, so that when I'm spreading it out, things become easier for me. And always knead your dough. Just knead your dough for long. Work on your dough. Let it rest. Let the gluten rest, so that you can get the softness of the chapatis. And just do this, all this that I've shown you, so that you can just get the layers. You don't need to use certain oil or anything, or a lot of oil. You just need minimal oil and also minimal effort to get soft chapatis. So after I'm done spreading them out, I'm going to dry them on my pan, because that is what I love doing. It saves me time, and also I don't need to like work on one chapati. I don't know how to work on only one chapati. I love layering them when I'm now applying the oil. That is the only way that makes things easier for me.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time.